The next time you look up in the sky, you could see a dead satellite hurtling back to Earth. The satellite has been in orbit for 20 years and may hit the Earth this week. Jamie Costello joins us with why that is maybe sooner than scientists first expected. Jamie?
All right, starting Thursday, you'll be doing a lot of this and won't let up until Saturday. The satellite's the size of your kid's school bus, and scientists say pieces of it will burst into flames and fall back down to Earth. But they're having a very difficult time predicting exactly where the space junk is going to fall. The crash zone of the research satellite, it's hard to pinpoint right now because it's tumbling right now and its path changes every 90 minutes. Scientists won't know where it will hit until just 2 hours before it hits.
As it's coming down in altitude, then it reaches more and more drag, and so it will determine what part on the Earth gets hit based on the orbit plane of the spacecraft and the rotation of the Earth.
Yours launched from the Space Shuttle Discovery back in 1991 to investigate the atmosphere. Now, at the time, engineers did not know how to safely deorbit a satellite once it outlived its usefulness. Now everything that is launched has enough fuel so it can be safely brought down in an ocean. 150 tons of meteorites, large and small, hit Earth every day. One was spotted over California last week, and some pieces are so small they're never found. But scientists say they know many parts of yours won't burn up on re-entry.
These 26 components, which we do anticipate will survive all the way down to the surface, will be going at a moderate velocity, typically on the order of tens to hundreds of miles per hour.
So pretty much the entire planet's going to be watching for this fiery re-entry, and the odds of anyone getting hit?
1 in 3,200.
All right, those are pretty good odds not to get hit. And after the dust settles, when yours crashes later this week, scientists want to remind all of us they're still out there monitoring 22,000 pieces of debris orbiting our lovely planet. And now we found a satellite. It's kind of like tracking Santa on Christmas Eve. You know how we do it with NORAD? There it is right now. Now, when Wyatt started his weather forecast, this was over China. It has now gone through China, over the Philippines, and now it's northeast in Australia, right here in the Coral Sea, and they're tracking it. Now, earlier today, they have all this stats up here. Earlier today, the altitude was 143 miles. Now it's down to 138, so it is falling. We'll keep a close track, and you can too. Jamie Costello, ABC 2 News.